It's very important to have it on the policy because the cost of it per 6 months is very minimal compared to what an actual going rate for a rental car would be in the market if you had to go out and rent it retail wise. Hi, I'm Jason Bradley with the Bradley Insurance Group. Wanted to talk to you today a little bit about loss of use or rental car coverage that we have the option of adding on to our auto insurance policies as an endorsement. Loss of use or rental car is a coverage that will help you out if your car is in a covered auto insurance claim and you have that endorsement on the policy while that car is being fixed. It'll pay up to so much per day, and then they usually are up to like a 30-day max. So while your car is being repaired, it will, or even if it's a total loss, it will pay for that up to the limits on the policy, up to approximately 30 days. So it's very important to have it on the policy because the cost of it per 6 months is very minimal compared to what an actual going rate for a rental car would be in the market if you had to go out and rent it retail wise. Insurance companies have what they call body shop rates or preferred rates, and those are just a discounted rates because the insurance companies send whatever car company it is, whatever rental agency it is, a lot of business throughout the year, so they negotiate contracts, negotiate prices at a discounted rate for them because of the flow of their business. So having rental car policy or rental car coverage on your insurance policy is super huge, super important to have. The reason why too is whenever you're looking at it for a cost of per 6 months or per year, you're looking at anywhere between $30 to even maybe $70, $80 per year. If you have an annual policy, if it's per 6 months, you're probably at about $30 or $40, maybe $50 for the whole entire 6 months. Those two prices, you could accumulate that in one day of rental car if you did not have that coverage on your policy. So it is very, very important to have that. Another huge reason for you to have rental car on your policy is because if you only have 2 vehicles and then 2 drivers, one of those vehicles is in an accident, and then your family is down to 1 car, and you have kids that have to go to activities, school, and things of that nature, and then you're only down to 1 car. So you either have to find a car or you have to go out and rent one yourself. So for peace of mind's sake, if you just add that endorsement onto your policy or increase the limits as well, that would be a less stressful situation for yourself. So be actually a good peace of mind to add that coverage on your policy. If you do have loss of use on your policy, you might want to look at increasing the limits on that coverage. A lot of times you're seeing from way back in the day, $20 per day or $30 per day. Now we're recommending nowhere less than $40 per day, some cases $50 per day based on the type of vehicle you have, and that's at a minimum. So a lot of carriers have higher limits than $50 or even $60 today. That you can add on there for that coverage. So talk to your agent, see what kind of limits are available for you under your policy. And definitely if you have $20, $30, or even $40 per day right now, make sure you take that up to at least a $50 per day minimum. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was of some help for you. If you're not already, please like and subscribe to our channel. We bring out information on different insurance terms and coverages and things of that nature.